Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to approve an expense in Zoho Expense. If you're managing a team or handling company finances, knowing how to efficiently review and approve employee expenses is essential for keeping your workflow smooth and your records accurate. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to zoho.com/expense. Once you're on the page, log in using your Zoho Expense credentials. Make sure you're signing in with an account that has approval permissions, as this determines whether you'll be able to access and approve pending expenses. After logging in, direct your attention to the left side menu. Here you'll find various options for managing expenses. Click on Approvals. This section is your central hub for viewing all expenses that are waiting for your review. It consolidates everything in one place, making it easy to stay on top of pending requests without having to dig through emails or separate notifications. Once you're in the Approvals section, take a moment to browse through the list displayed on your screen. You'll see expense reports, trips, or advances that employees have submitted and are now awaiting your approval. Each item will typically show key details like the submitter's name, the date, and the total amount, giving you a quick overview before diving deeper. To review a specific expense in detail, click on the expense report name or look for a View button next to it. This action opens up the full breakdown of that particular submission. Now you're looking at individual expense line items, which is where the real review happens. Carefully examine each entry for accuracy, ensuring that amounts match receipts, categories are correct, and everything aligns with your company's expense policy. Also, check that supporting documents like receipts or invoices are attached and clear. If something seems unclear or you need more information, you can communicate directly with the submitter. Look for the comments section within the expense report. Here you can type any questions or notes. This is particularly useful if you need clarification before making a final decision, and it keeps all communication documented within the platform. Once you've thoroughly reviewed everything and you're satisfied that the expense report meets all requirements, it's time to finalize your approval. Look for the Approve button, which you'll typically find at either the top or bottom of the expense report page. Click on it, and the system will process your approval, notifying the employee and moving the expense forward in your company's reimbursement workflow. And that's it. You've successfully reviewed and approved an expense in Zoho Expense, keeping your team's financial processes running smoothly. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.